Hi. This is my first try to record my TED Talk. Well, I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence and some of advantage, disadvantage, and some of that. How is it important and something like that. So, artificial intelligence is intelligence perceiving, synthesizing, and inferring information, demonstrated by machines, as opposed to intelligence displayed by animals and humans. Example tasks in which this is done include speech recognition, computer vision, translation between natural language, as well as other mapping of inputs. The Oxford English Dictionary of Oxford University Press defines artificial intelligence as the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. How does artificial intelligence works? As the hype around artificial intelligence accelerated, vendors have been scrambling to promote how their products and services use artificial intelligence. Often, what they refer to as artificial intelligence is simple one component of AI, such as machine learning. AI requires a foundation of specialized hardware and software for writing and training machine learning algorithms. No one programming language is synonymous with artificial intelligence, but a few, including Python, R, and Java, are popular. AI programming focuses on three cognitive skills: learning, reasoning, and self-correction, because the artificial intelligence can learn about himself and use that to don't make a mistake in the future, because he already passed that and passed past that and do the mistake, and he can do it well or better this time. Learning processes. This aspect of artificial intelligence programming focuses on acquiring data and creating rules for how to turn the data into actionable information. The rules, which are called algorithms, provide computing devices with step-by-step introduction for how to complete a specific task. Why is artificial intelligence important? AI is important because it can give enterprises insights into their operations that they may not have aware of previously, and because in some cases AI can perform tasks better than humans, particularly when it comes to repetitive, detail-oriented tasks like analyzing large numbers of legal documents to ensure relevant files are filed improperly. AI tools often complete jobs quickly and with relatively few errors. What are the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence? Artificial neural networks and deep learning artificial intelligence technologies are quickly evolving, primarily because AI processes large amounts of data much faster and makes prediction more accurately than human possible. while the huge volume of data volume volume of data being created on a daily basis would bury a human researcher. AI applications that use machine learning can take that data and quickly turn into actionable information. As of this, where I think the primary disadvantage of using AI is that it too expensive to process the large amount of data that AI programming requires. So my opinion for this topic is like I like the artificial intelligence. It is a very innovating I don't know how to say it, innovating thing. It's like so amazing how we create a machine that do some things for us. Is like so helpful, and the only disadvantage is like it's so expensive and spends so much time to program and develop artificial intelligence, because it takes time for the artificial intelligence to adaptate and learn from himself how to do better the things for being the best the best the best every day, and help more to develop some things and compress some files, that all that things that artificial intelligence do. And I don't know, I like so much this topic because it's like we create a machine that do the things for us. Is like so innovating innovative thing. And I think that's all. I think I do it like well. I recollect some information, interesting information. I talk like good time, not as not like so much time as the original TED Talks, but I think it's a good time, good like topic, and I think it's hard for me to pronunciate some things, but I don't know. I found it interesting to do this TED Talk, and I like it so much. And that's all.